Alright, let's try this hike again. The trail is called Trail 10, and last time I got lost, so today let's not try to get lost. Okay, let's go. So it's been like raining for the past few days pretty bad around here because it's monsoon season. So I bought like these little rubber slippers from a place called like Mr. DIY. It's basically like the Malaysian dollar store here. If you guys ever been to like a place called Daiso, it's like the Japanese version of the dollar store. But over here they have Mr. DIY. Mr. Do It Yourself. Go there if you want anything cheap, like little hiking slippers, I guess. Because today it's gonna get pretty muddy. So today, let's try not to get lost. The pathway is pretty clear, check it out. Pretty run down, pretty straightforward, and pretty beautiful too. No signs of rain so far, but can't rely on the weather too much here because it can rain like that. It's a little raining, but it's okay. I like how Mother Nature naturally creates steps for this hike. See all that? This is all like roots from the trees. So there's no need for like man-made steps over here. It's all natural. If you guys are hiking and don't have like a connection or like a SIM card, use this app called Maps.me. It's very useful because you can use it offline. Travel tip of the day. Okay, so this part of the trek we gotta go down like this muddy hill. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a little rope attached to this tree. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, not too bad. So I think we can just go down this way because I don't see a path anywhere. So on hikes, I always pack some water, some food. So today I brought some bananas, a rain jacket, a camera. This one's a 360 camera, a drone. Travel tip: if you're like traveling by yourself and you don't got like a tripod or anything, the best way to take pictures of yourself is a drone. So we're like checking through like a little waterfall. Yeah, we'll start from up there, and then I think we're just going downstream right down there. So we're gonna have to use this little rope thing to get down all the way down there. So I hope this rope is strong enough. Oh, hot. So the trick when you're climbing down like steep slopes like this, you got to use all limbs. So both feet, both hands, and prepare to slide on your butt, because that's the safest way to climb down. Be careful. Okay, it's starting to rain now, so I should really head back soon, as quick as possible. So it looks like I made it to like the plantation area. So you can see like they're just growing all this different types of vegetation. And yeah, I'm stuck in the rain. But I think I'm like almost halfway through. we gotta push on. Let's go. This is what we hike for, people. It's beautiful. I would say it was worth it. Now let's finish this hike. We just made it into the Cameron Valley tea fields, and it's kind of like private property, so we have to pay like 3 ringgit, and that is about 60 cents, but it's worth it. Check out the views. It's a little bit raining right now, but still beautiful. Don't let rain stop you from seeing things. See the world before you leave it.